Hello everyone and welcome. I know it's been a couple weeks since I made a video, but there's absolutely nothing going on. It's been about 20 degrees here for the last couple weeks. Lows in the teens and single digits at night. These things haven't been started in a while, so we're just going to do a cold start video. I know everyone enjoys those. So up first is a 49 Farmwell Cub. Hasn't ran in the last couple weeks, so let's go. Ignition switch on, give a little fuel, neutral. Highly doubt that it's going to crank over with the starter because the starter in this thing's weak, but we'll try it. Okay, yep, starter's not having it. This starter's really weak in the cold. Needs taken off and rebuilt. So, we'll do it the old-fashioned way. Oh, I think she's flooded. I'll come back to her in a minute. See if the 46H will want to start. Neutral. Ignition on. Choke out. Give her a little throttle. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear over that. We'll let that run and warm up a little bit. 46 Farmwell, or International Cub Cadet Original. Choke cable's broken, so I gotta do it this way. We're neutral, ignition on. It actually might be out of fuel. Yep, out of fuel. So we got 2 starts so far and 1 no start. We'll shut the H off. Try the Cub again. See if it'll want to go. Give it a little bit more throttle. Okay, maybe you want less. I don't think she's gonna have it. Give her a lot of throttle. Make sure the ignition's actually out. For some reason, these plug wires look a little wet. Nope, not gonna have it today. So that's a fail. Let's go down to the garage and see if a couple down there will want to start. The garage is a mess like usual, so I guess we'll start the Kubota today and maybe the Bolins. I just had this running, so that's not even a cold start. So let's see what we got. Kubota hasn't been running, and as you can tell, it's become a table catch-all for everything else, because there ain't no use running it. So this thing hasn't ran since December. It has summer fuel in it, so I don't even know if it's gonna want to start. I don't hear a fuel pump. Don't even hear fuel pump, so well, we'll try it still. I'm sure the fuel's probably gelled. Or the battery's dead. Glow plugs are getting nice and red. Yep. Feels a little waxed up in it. Whoop. And apparently the starter's stuck. So, alright, let's get on the Bolins. This thing has issues and will just smoke like a freight train once it starts till it warms up. So, throttle on, choke on. This whole Tecumseh is A, worn out, and B, it needs valve seals. So let's see if it goes. would say it smokes slightly. After it runs for a minute or two, it doesn't smoke no more. All right, let's. Oh, what else do we want? Oh, you know what? We'll do the MS 180. And why don't we do the brand new 271 Farm Boss? Let's see how it starts. Whenever it's real cold. I haven't ran this one in a couple months. I think since December or early January. I run this one all the time. This is kind of like my go-to. But this one's slightly modified. It got the timing vents done on it, and it also has muffler mod. But hold on, let me see if I can set you guys up. Maybe you can see, maybe not. Choke's on, idle's on. Runs pretty decent. Okay, 271, same deal. Full choke, see what it does. There's a start of some of the random shit I have laying around here. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.